Hi, Brennan from Metro Electronics, here to introduce you to Heise LED's new 8-gang switch panel, the HE-SWP8. You can now integrate lighting control into any vehicle with Heise's universal control panel that can fit into the dash panel, center console, vehicle pillar, or even the overhead sunglass holder. This gang switch panel system allows you to control up to 8 different auxiliary LED lights or electronic devices. With 50 different switch stickers included, the panel can be customized accordingly and has a blue LED backlight to illuminate the switches. This versatile panel can handle all types of 12-volt DC accessories, can be installed in multiple positions, and is the ideal for all applications such as cars, trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, RVs, and even boat installations. The compact controller panel measures 2.6 to 4.6 inches, while the under the hood mounted control box has a 4.2 by 7.5 inch footprint. For any more information on this product, you could visit heiseled.com, find Heise on Facebook, and follow them on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metro Electronics. We are 12 volt.